afternoon, grade 1.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay. In our classroom, we have rules. Ang rules ko ay, if you want to recite, just raise your right hand para hindi tayo magulo. And always follow my instruction kapag may papagawa ako sa inyong activities. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Now, may we start our lesson. Who among you remember our topic last time? Anyone? Yes, Pia?
Pronoun.
Okay, very good. Pronoun. What is pronoun, Pia? Do you remember our topic yesterday? In-explain ko yun, di ba, kung ano yung pronoun? Yes, Pia? Pronoun is? What? Yes?
Like she or he.
Okay, very good. Pronoun takes place the noun like he, she, him, and her. That is the example of pronoun. Now, we have a drill here about our topic yesterday. You are going to do this is the instruction. Choose the correct pronoun to complete each sentence. Ang gagawin ninyo, you underline the correct pronoun in this sentence. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone who wants to answer first in the blackboard? Yes, Kyrex?
He is my best friend.
What is the correct pronoun?
He.
Okay, you underline here. Next. Sino pa gustong sumagot? Pia. Anyone? Yes, Pia. Sino pa? Mia. Number 3. Pia.
Yeah.
Mia. Try mo lang kahit mali yung sagot mo. Sige, try mo lang.
Yeah, ma'am.
O sige, ikaw.
There.
Okay. Sa number 4, sino? Winnie. Basahin mo muna.
This is my favorite shirt. Jojo Kaya.
Sino pa? Number 5, kay Rex. Basahin mo muna yung number 5.
My brother hurt will play basketball.
Himself.
Himself will play basketball.
Okay. What is the correct pronoun? Okay, let's check. Number 1, him is my best friend. The answer of Pia is he. It's correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. The correct pronoun here is he because he explained here that his best friend is a guy. Number 2, Maria and me are going to the market. Correct ba yung me? Correct ba? No. Ang tamang pronoun ay I. Kasi yung sarili mo.
Number 1.
Number 3, that book is there. It is correct? Yes, correct. Kasi nag-iisa lang yung libro. At andun sinasabi niya. Naintindihan?
Yes, ma'am.
Number 5, my brother hurt himself while playing basketball. The correct pronoun here is himself. Naintindihan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Buti naman at naintindihan ninyo yung last topic natin. Now, maglalaro tayo ng Who Wants to be a Millionaire? Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's start. First question. What do you sit on?
Ma'am.
A. Apple.
Ma'am.
B. Chair.
Ma'am.
Patapusin niyo muna ako. C. Pencil. D. Dog. What is your answer?
B.
What?
B. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sit down.
B.
B? That is your final answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's check. Okay, very good. Letter B. Yun yung sagot. Next. Okay, number 2. What do you use to draw? A. Spoon. B. Pencil. C. Shoe. D. Table.
B.
That is your final answer?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Letter B. Next. What animals bark? A. Dog. B. Cat. C. Bird. D. Fish.
A.
Is that your final answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, very good. Check. The animal's bark is dog. Next. Number 4. Where do you go to learn? A. Store. B. Zoo. C. School. D. Park.
C.
Sino ang sagot ng A? B. C. Is that your final answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's check. Okay, very good. School. Yun yung lugar kung saan kayo nag-aaral.
Mama, dyan na school, ma'am.
This is one of the example of school. C. Letter C yung choices ng school. Number 5. What do you use to eat soap? Ano daw yung ginagamit ninyong pangkain ng soap? A. Spoon. B. Fork. C. Pen. D. Brush. A. Is that your final answer? Okay, let's check. Okay, very good. The answer is letter A. Now you got 25 points. Ngayon, mag-level na tayo sa 50 points. Anong gusto nyo? Level up?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, this is the question for the number 6. Which one is a toy? Ano daw yung toy? A. Table. B. Doll. C. Plate. D. Clock.
B.
Okay, is that your final answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's check. Okay, very good. The correct answer is letter B. Doll. Okay, now you got the 25 points. Number 7. What do you wear on your head? A. Cap. B. Hat. C. Pencil. D. Chair.
B.
Okay, let's check. Okay, very good. The correct answer is B. Okay, you got your 30 points. Question number 8. Which of these can you drink? A. Water. B. Spoon. C. Book. D. Bag.
A.
Is that your final answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. The answer is A. Now you got the 40 points. Now you level up to the 45 points. Question number 9. What animal says meow? A. Dog. B. Cow. C. Cat. D. Duck.
C.
Is that your final answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's check. Okay, very good. Your answer is correct. Now you got the 45 last question. Which group shows all the things you can touch? A. Book, cable, shoes. B. Happy, fast, slow. C. Run, jump, play.
A.
D. Blue, red, loud. What is your answer? That's your final answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's check. Okay, very good. The answer is letter A. And you've got the 50 points. I-add ko yan sa mga grades ninyo. Naintindihan?
Yes, ma'am.
What can you see in the picture?
Pusa.
Yes, kay Rex?
Pusa, ma'am.
What is the English of pusa? Cat. Okay, very good. What else? What else? Ano to? What is this?
Letter.
Letter? Okay, very good. This is book. And this?
Teacher.
Teacher. Okay, very good. Teacher. And the last one?
Fiesta.
Fiesta. Okay, this is park. And all of these are connected to our lessons today. And all of these are nouns. And these are the examples of common noun. Now, before we proceed to our main topic, I will explain first what is noun. Huwag maingay. Okay. Pagibasa nga.
Ma'am,
Kay Rex, sige nga.
a noun is all word that names a person, things, place, animal, or idea.
Okay, very good. Thank you, kay Rex. A noun is a word that names a person, things, place, animal, or idea. For example, Maria. That is one example of noun. And table, laptops, that is the example of things. And place, example of place like laptop. Okay?
Baguio.
School, Baguio, that are the examples of place.
Abroad.
Okay, abroad.
Maynila.
Maynila, Malama. Okay?
Road.
And animals. Okay. Can you give an example of animals? Okay, cat. What else?
Pig.
Dog. Dog. What else? Lion. Okay. On all of that.
Elephant.
Okay, shut up. Okay, thank you. All of that are examples of animal. And the examples of idea is freedom, love, happiness. Yung mga feelings natin ang example ng mga idea. Naintindihan?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we proceed to our main topic, which is common noun. Okay? A common noun is a general name for a person, place, things, or animal. Kapag sinasabi natin general, yung panglahatan, wala siyang binibigay na pangalan. For example, ang electric fan, wala siyang brand. Hindi niya sinabi na, walang sinabi dito na hanabi yung brand ng electric fan. Naiintindihan?
Yes.
General siya, electric fan. Table, yun yung mga example ng common noun. Wala siyang pangalan, hindi siya specific. Naiintindihan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Magbibigay ako ng example. Sasabihin ninyo kung common noun ito. Laika. Example ba ng common noun ang laika? Sino magsasabi ng yes? Sino magsasabi ng no? Okay, bakit? Wala?
Pangalan.
Okay, very good, Mia. Kasi may pangalan siya. Sinabi mo na si Laika, okay? Naintindihan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sasabihin niyo kung common noun ito. Student. Common noun. Okay, very good. Common noun siya kasi hindi siya specific. Hindi mo sinabi na yung student ay si Laika. Naintindihan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Kung naintindihan. Okay, class. Your next activity is the instruction here is find your partner. O tatlo na kayo. Na gusto mo mag-individual or makitatlo ka na sa kanila? Pia. Individual? Okay, mag-individual ka na. Find your partner and underline the common noun in a sentence. Ang gagawin ninyo, you underline the common noun here in a sentence. Merong isa, dalawa, or tatlo yung common noun dito. Maintindihan?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Quiet. Pinapakinggan nyo ba ako?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sino ang unang gustong sumagot? Ikaw na, Pia, kasi individual ka. Basahin nyo muna, tapos underline nyo.
The cat is sleeping on the sofa.
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 What is the common noun there? Okay, that's number 2. Okay, Rex and his partner. You read first.
The teacher is explaining a lesson.
Ako na ako. Oh. Okay. You want to answer? Oh, ikaw din. Sagot ka na. You underline kung ano yung common noun dyan. No. Number 2 kayo. Okay, number 3. Come here and read first. Then you underline what is common noun there. Number 3. Watch.
We watched a movie last night.
Okay. What is common noun there? Mag-answer ka din. Number 4. Sinong group ang gusto mong sumagot? Sige, Pia. Make it loud.
I'm
Wearing.
wearing a shirt today. Ma'am, dalawas mo yan. Gabi na, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
lesson. And yung sagot niyo dito, teacher explaining lesson. So, tama ba? Okay, tama. Tama yung sinagot ninyo. Pero, yung sagot lang na common noun dito is teacher. Why? Because teacher is one of the example of person. Kasi hindi na sinabi yung teacher ay si Ma'am Laika. Naiintindihan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Number 3. So, ibig sabihin, mali yung explaining at saka yung lesson dito. Common noun lang dito is the teacher. Number 3. We watched a movie last night. And the answer of Kyrex here is watch movie night. Ay, yung group pala ni Mia ang sumagot dito. Tama ba yung watch? No. Kasi, wala siya doon sa mga example ng common noun. Ang sagot dito is we. Why? Kasi parang nagulat kayo eh. Bakit we ang sagot dito?
Person.
Okay. Kasi hindi na naman sinabi na si Pia and Mia yung nanood ng TV. Naintindihan? Okay. Number 4. I'm wearing a shirt today. Ang sagot ninyo is wearing and shirt, which is wrong. The correct answer is I'm. Kasi hindi na naman sinabi na ako si Benjamin eh, di ba? Sinabi na lang na I'm. Okay, naintindihan? Number 5, she planted a tree in a garden. Ano yung common noun dito? Yung sagot kasi ninyo, planted and tree eh. Okay, very good. She and garden. Kasi yung garden ay place. Naintindihan? Naintindihan na ba ninyo yung common noun?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Now class, you are going to do is, you will use the common noun mama in a sentence. Okay, for example, sa akin, my mama is one of the best. Yun yung sa akin. Naintindihan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We start here.
My mama is
Stand.
My mama is beautiful.
Okay, very good. Her mother is beautiful. Next.
My mama is superhero.
Wow! Her mother is superhero. What kind of superhero is your mother? Darna? Okay, next.
My mama is hardworking.
Wow! Your mom is hardworking because she is a OFW, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Wow! Very good. OFW now is one of the superhero. Okay, I'm proud of your mother, Pia. Next.
My mama is a good mom.
Wow! Her mom is a good mom. Very good, kay Rex. Kasi siguro mabait yung mama niya, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next.
Mama is proud.
Wow! Her mother daw is proud of him. Okay, thank you. All of your answer is correct. And I'm so proud of you because in your stage, in grade 1, you know how to okay? It's alright. In your stage, you know how to create a sentence. Now we have another activity. You are going to do again the you create a sentence using your favorite pet. Okay, anyone? Yes?
My dog is cute.
Okay, very good. Her dog is cute. And other hands? Kay Rex?
Cat is small.
Wow, her cat is small.
Mom,
Pia?
my cat is brown.
Wow, her cat is brown. Mia?
My pig is fat.
Your pig is fat. And you?
My chicken is guapa.
Wow! Okay, very good. Her chicken is guapa or beautiful. Wow! All your answers are correct. Taking care of your dog teaches you to become irresponsible. Okay? Pagigising kayo ng umaga, papakainin niyo sila, yung tinatrato niyo sila na parang kapamilya na ninyo, and dapat mahalin niyo sila gaya ng pagmamahal ninyo sa mga kapatid ninyo, parents ninyo. I'm so happy na lahat kayo ay may pets sa bahay ninyo. Okay, now pupils, what is common noun again? Common noun. Yes, kay Rex? Common noun is?
Common noun is place.
Is
Is a place.
what? Sige, proceed. Continue. Okay? Nia, ikaw nga? Parang may binubulong ka eh. Ano? Anyone? Okay. When we say common noun, it is any place, things, animal, or idea. It is a general. Hindi siya specific. Diba? Yun yung sinabi ko kanina. When we say common noun, it is general. And when we say specific, this is the noun. Naintindihan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Stop. Now you have another activity. You are going to do identify and encircle the common noun in a sentence. Naintindihan?
Yes, ma'am.
Ano yung gagawin ninyo?
Identify and encircle the common
Common noun in a sentence. Okay, very good. Who wants to answer first? What is common noun there? Kay Rex, ikaw na. Nagtuturo ka pa ng kasama mo eh. Ikaw na. Number 1. You try. Just try it kay Rex. Even though your answer is wrong, yung correct naman natin. Okay, Mia? I should say Tia pala. Naguguluhan ako sa inyong kambal. Read first.
The apple.
I ate.
I ate an apple for
Excuse me. Huwag maingay. Yes, proceed. Anak.
I ate an apple for
Snack.
snack.
Very good. Number 2. Kay Rex.
I saw a bird flying in the park.
Encircle.
Simple, ma'am.
Yes. Encircle mo yung common noun dyan. Huwag mo akong tignan dyan. Just try it. Kung ano yung alam mong sagot.
Circle, ma'am.
Yes.
Circle, ma'am.
O, i-underline mo na lang. Okay, your answer is flying. Number 3. Number 3. Winnie. Winnie, number 3.
The can drag down the
Here.
street.
Okay. Oh, underline mo na lang. Number 4. Nia. The ball bounce
On the
ground. Ground.
ground.
Okay. What is common noun there in a sentence? Just try it. Kung ano yung alam mong sagot. Number 5. Okay. I-check natin yung mga answer ninyo ha. Naiintindihan ba talaga ninyo yung topic natin?
Yes.
Okay. I ate an apple for snack. Ang sagot ni Pia ay I. Okay. Tama. Yun yung common noun. Number 2, I saw a bird flying in the park. Ang sagot ni Kyrex ay flying. Ano dapat yung sagot? Okay.
Bird.
Tatlo yung answer dito. Yung I, birds, park. Number 3, the can drove down the street. Tama ba yung drove? Mali. Okay, dalawa yung sagot dito. Can. Yung can is thing. At yung street ay place. Lagi ninyong tatandaan, class. Yung common noun, yung general, yung wala siyang brand. Okay, yung nilalahat niya. Teacher. Yun yung mga example ng common noun. Okay? Number 4, the ball bounced on the ground. Ang answer ni Ria ay ball. Tama. Number 5, the tree has green leaves. Ang sagot niya ay leaves. Which is wrong. Ang tamang sagot dito ay tree. Naiintindihan?
Yes, ma'am.
Naiintindihan ba talaga ninyo? Para i-explain ko pa.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bring out your assignment notebook and copy your assignment.